so quiet ever. Dylan, come on, you gotta get in here. I know you wanna have a party. Hallelujah. That's all I have to say for coconut cleaning, because have you guys seen my new crew? Let's see. We have Stella in the house. We got Ellie, who really couldn't care less. She did move a leg. Then we have Rosie. Do you want to come say hi? She makes probably the most mess. That's the brown dog. And then Ivy, the sweet little one. You can't even see her. She looks really innocent, but truly. 4 dogs. Do you know what that means? 4 times the mess. Do you know what that means? My carpet has been screaming, coconut cleaning, please. And you know what the best part about coconut cleaning is? And Dylan, Hayden, feel great. You guys do a really freaking good job.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Like, it's crazy when they come in here and they look at my carpet and they're like, all right, well, I'll get out the serious like stain remover. And I'm like, yeah, probably a good idea. They're like, is there pee? I'm like, yes, there is pee
Yeah, a
involved.
little bit. So we have an enzyme treatment. It's our topical, and it's designed to kill the bacteria that the ammonia is holding on to. So then, therefore, that ammonia will dissipate, and your floors get sanitized and no longer have that urine smell.
And not only that, but literally every single time they leave, my carpet looks brand new. Brand new.
Absolutely.
So then my dogs can do it all over again.
That's right. The
But
dogs
that-
keep us in business.
But
yeah.
that's why you exist, and 30% off the first time when you mentioned me, so you can give it a shot. But the cool thing is, you guys have like a membership program where it makes it 50% off every time they come, and it basically just sets you up on a schedule.
4 times a year, seasonal cleaning. It's meant to just have professional cleaners out more often to clean those filters of your home.
Let me tell you, it's freaking genius because I need them that often to come, and you know what, then I don't freak out as much about it. You know, I do the best I can, but I know in a few months they're gonna come back, they're gonna make my carpet look beautiful. I don't have to kill my cute little dogs. Stella.
None of that.
I've never seen them so, they've never ever been this quiet in their entire life. I might just have to hire you guys to come over and just stand here.
Yeah, that's right.
And not only do they do your carpets, but they also do furniture.
Any living surface we clean. Anything that bacteria can grow on, you might as well ask, and we can, give it a shot and clean it for you.
And the tile. We're just breaking them in. This was their debut on their dancing.
That's right.
We're gonna work on it. Pick up the phone, call, or go to coconutcleaningco.com. Come on, hey, you're gonna get in here. You pick the song. We'll be careful of your back.
I woke up the plane in LAX with a dream in my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame, XX.
All right, you guys.